In this video, the goal is to give you questions. I'm going to give you an expo of questions that JAMB will ask you in chapter 7 of LEKKI HEADMASTER. Remember, we've been on a series. I've been giving you expo questions. What could come out in chapter 1? What would come out in chapter 2? I've done from chapter 1 to chapter 6, and what you are seeing now is for chapter 7. We are going to review about 10 questions that we expect JAMB to pick from in asking you questions from LEKKI HEADMASTER chapter number 7. But then I have an assignment for you. The first assignment I have for you is come under the comment section and tell me the title of chapter 7. Tell me the title of chapter 7 of LEKKI HEADMASTER. I've told you that our goal in this channel is 300 and above. You watching this video, for you and others following noble tutorials here on YouTube to score at least 300 in your JAMB. Do you claim it? If you claim it, type under the comment and say, I claim it. Tell me the score you are claiming. So we are seriously studying LEKKI HEADMASTER. We are seriously looking at other JAMB subjects. And if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I'm also going to give you a gift because it will show me that you are serious. If you watch till the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB past questions on use of English and the other 3 subjects we'll be writing. I'm also going to give you free JAMB syllables on use of English and all the other 3 subjects we'll be writing. If you have also not gotten LEKKI HEADMASTER, you can also let me know. So let us dive in. I want you to be serious. I want you to be very, very serious. LEKKI HEADMASTER chapter 7. Come under the comment and tell me the title of chapter 7. Why did Beppo leave B's Way group of schools? Remember, before he started teaching in Stardom schools, there were other schools that he also taught. Okay, why did Beppo leave B's Way group of schools? A, he was sacked for misconduct. B, he voluntarily resigned due to a matter he considered ungodly. C, he was transferred to another school branch. D, he got a better job, paying job at Stardom School. The answer is he voluntarily resigned due to a matter he considered ungodly. This is not godly. There was a matter. Remember, there were some rituals, things that really didn't sit well with his own belief system. Okay, remember, we have done a video on chapter 7. I've done several videos reading the chapter. I read this book for you chapter by chapter, chapter by chapter. I read it, I explained. I read it and I explained. So if you need me to give you the videos, all the videos, including chapter by chapter reading and review, including all the questions, expected questions, expo questions on LEKKI HEADMASTER. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos free, let me know so that I can send it to you in the comment section. What grammatical error did Beppo point out in the name of Bisway group of school? What grammatical error? Remember then when he was teaching in Bisway before he came to Stardom, he was teaching English, right? What grammatical error did Beppo point out in the name of Bisway group of school? A, the word Bisway was misspelled. B, the phrase should be group of schools instead of group of school. C, the school name should have been in Latin. D, the words group and school should not be used together. The answer is B. He said that it is group of schools, not group of school. Are you following? Number 3. How did the school's director, Mr. Egimeko, react to Beppo's correction? A, he immediately changed the name. B, he laughed it off and refused to change it. C, he praised Beppo for his intelligence. D, he consulted an English professor for advice. You yourself, you already know the answer now. He laughed it off and refused to change it. The man did not bother. Group of schools, so waiting concern the man. His important is that students are coming and he's making money. What proverb did Mr. Meko use to accuse Beppo of guilt? What proverb did Mr. Meko use to accuse Beppo of guilt? A, the guilty are afraid. B, a child who washes his hand eats with elders. C, I can't read out C, although it's the correct answer because I'm not Yoruba. I don't know how to read out Yoruba. If you know, read out for us. But you know, the book is actually set in Yoruba land, and I also think the book was written by a Yoruba man. So there are a lot of Yoruba proverbs, a lot of Yoruba setting, a lot of Yoruba names in the book. So it's actually this Yoruba proverb. Elofo. Please, if you are Yoruba, read C for me. Oh, I need to hear how it sounds. I am Igbo, so I don't understand. Number 5. What did the parent, Mr. Ogo, offer to do for Beppo's school? Before we get into that, remember that I've done several videos on this book. Remember that our goal is for you to score 300 and above. You will have 180 questions to answer in JAMB, and you will have only 120 minutes to answer. That is to say, you have just 40 seconds to attempt each of the questions in JAMB. We don't have time. I need you to focus and study. Focus and read. If there is any way I can be of help, let me know. That is also why I am gifting you free JAMB syllabus. I'm gifting you past question as my own contribution. I've also done a lot of videos on JAMB. In both biology, both chemistry, both mathematics, all the government, economics, all the subjects that you could select from. So go over to our channel, you'll see the videos we have done. If you need me to send your links to the videos, let me know. We don't have time. Okay, how did a parent, Mr. Ogo, offer to do? What did a parent, Mr. Ogo, offer to do for Mr. Beppo's school? A. Perform a ritual to increase student enrollment. B. Donate books and chairs to the school. C. Sponsor a student scholarship program. D. Help Beppo start his own school in another town. The answer is A. Perform a ritual to increase student enrollment. Perform a ritual to increase student enrollment. The guy came and said he will come and do some things, spread some grains of corn, and students will start coming to Beppo school. That was when he owned the school. I hope by now you should know who Beppo is. If you know who Beppo is, please tell me everything you know from all the explanation I've done in all the chapter review we have done, or from you reading the book. Tell me everything you know about him in the comment section. That is my second assignment. Okay? What did the proposed ritual involve? A. Burying a cow alive in the school compound. B. Sprinkling grains of corn around the school. C. Conducting a night vigil for prayers. D. Sacrificing a goat at the school gates. Did I tell you the answer? I already told you the answer. Sprinkling grains of corn around the school. You know, people do a lot of things to boost their businesses. How did Beppo and his colleague react to Mr. Ogo's proposal? Ogo is the man that is proposing to do ritual that will draw students. A. They accepted and paid the required money. B. They were tempted but later declined. C. They rejected it immediately, believing the school would grow without rituals. D. They sought permission from the Ministry of Education. Can you imagine? Of course, they rejected it immediately, and they believed that the school would grow without rituals. I mean, if you are doing the right thing, it will grow. Just give it time, right? Okay, I hope you are following. By the way, if there's any video you need me to do, let me know. If there's any video you need me to do that I have not done that you think will help you pass, let me know. What eventually happened to Beppo's school, Fruitful Future School? You know, he had this school with a partner, and something happened, the school shut down. A. What eventually happened to Beppo's school, Fruitful Future School? A. It became one of the best schools in Lagos. B. It was closed down due to poor road access and low enrollment. C. It merged with another school to survive. D. It was shut down by the government for illegal activities. What do you think is the answer? Tell me. If you have not read chapter 7 of Lekki Headmaster, remember I will attach the link to that video at the end of this particular video you are watching. So I need you to watch how I read chapter 7 and reviewed it. I have read chapter by chapter all the chapters of Lekki Headmaster. By the way, the third assignment I'm giving you is come under the comment of this video and tell me how many chapters are in Lekki Headmaster. Okay, number 9. What shocking news did Beppo see on television years later? All these things happened in chapter 7. Remember, I told you to tell me the title of chapter 7. What shocking news did Beppo see on television years later? A. Mr. Ogo had been arrested for murder and fraud. B. Bisway Group of School had become the best in the country. C. Stardom School had closed down due to financial problems. D. The government had banned private schools from operating. The answer is A. Mr. Ogo had been arrested for murder and fraud. How did Mr. Ogo kill his victims? Oh God, that was a very gruesome scene in the novel. How did Mr. Ogo kill his victims? A. He poisoned her in a restaurant. B. He pushed her off a bridge. C. He lured her into his house, drugged her, and had his accomplices beat her to death. D. He drowned her in a river. I won't tell you the answer. I want you to also tell me the answer to this question, number 10, in the comment section. In the next video, we will start looking at possible questions from chapter 8. Remember that for you to get free JAMB pass question, free JAMB syllabus that will help you to pass, just do 3 things. Like this video, share this video. When you click on share it on YouTube, then copy the link and share on all social media platforms where JAMB candidates are, all the JAMB groups. If you know anybody writing JAMB, share this video and copy the link and send to them. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Very important. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. So now when you subscribe to Noble Tutorials, come under the comment of this video and tell me I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once you tell me I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send those materials to you. Remember to submit the 4 assignments I gave you on this video. I'm leaving a video for you on the screen now. Click on it and watch now.